Hi, I'm Todd Siler, and I created this work of art that's called The History of Conflict Resolution. This artwork explores why we have these conflicts that arise and perhaps how we can prevent them from escalating into chaos.
I've always loved brain science, psychology, and art history, biological sciences, and I wanted to create forms that would enable me to make very large-scale mindscapes of sorts.
I see this painting as being ageless, timeless in a way, because you can track to almost prehistoric times. Just imagine 360,000 years ago, some of our oldest remains from Morocco, when human beings walked on the earth. There seems to be a pattern from sort of order at one moment to chaos, and then it returns, a full cycle. I started in my mind's eye with this very calm situation where two people are talking about something they want, they both want. And it can be a person, it can be a state, it can be a nation talking to each other. As they're talking, at some point, there's a little tension there. One person isn't getting what they want, and there seems to be a struggle that ensues. And pretty soon it becomes almost like a tug of war. And people take sides and they begin to kind of argue over things. I see this work as being something in motion, almost like a film, and you're watching a movie clip of events happening when people are respectfully talking to one another and negotiating something, as you see here, and when that negotiation cascades into chaos. For me, art is not only what we make, but what we make of it. And it is something that can catalyze, can excite, can spark inspirations to see every single thing in this museum as part of a giant discovery zone where you can use creative thinking, critical thinking, skepticism, all kinds of things that we use as tools to innovate, to help us raise new questions and ideas, and to see things in many different contexts. And as you relate that to your own life, to your own work, your experiences and conversations you've had with people, I hope it sparks new conversations, just as this Institute for Science and Policy does that for us when we can raise new questions about our world, ourselves, our connection with each other. The past is always present in the future. It kind of speaks to our sense of knowledge. For me, knowledge is understanding our mistakes, and wisdom is learning from them. So as you're looking at this piece, I hope you will take the thoughts, ideas, and inspirations from this and apply it to your life and work, and find that we can move from conflict to resolution.